Hello, my name is Jason.
Hi, I'm Maggie.
Today we are on location at the Minton. This is actually a highly sought after condo in the District 19.
Before we show you to the lovely unit, let's show you around the facilities and the environment. Let's go!
Okay, we are now in this lovely 4-bedder for sale. This unit is rarely available in the Minton itself. Check out the size of this whole unit.
Let me show you around now. This is a very rare 4-bedder unit that comes with over 1,600 square feet space. Therefore, you can have a very generous and elegant entrance at the foyer. Let me show you to the dining and living area. The dining and living area is completely spacious because you can put in a 10-seater sofa and also up to a 10-seater dining area. And let me show you to a very usable balcony right over here. As we enter into the balcony, you'll notice that you're completely shielded from the neighbors' prying eyes. You have complete privacy while you're at the balcony. You can see that the balcony has two uses that you can make use of. Number one, you can use of the space here for your planting needs. If you do not want to have plants around, you can always fully deck it up and put a dining table here. What is more beautiful is that the view right in front of you. You can actually see the playground as well as the pool. For family with young children, parents can actually sit here to chill and have an overview of your children playing downstairs. It is a dream of many women to have an island in their house. This unit not only comes with an island but a super long one. At the same time, you have a huge space for your fridge. Let me bring you to the wet kitchen. This wet kitchen is completely functional and it comes with ventilation as it has a window right here. Very rare to find in today's market. Let me bring you to the yard area. It comes with a very good bomb shelter as well as a helper's toilet. And this will be the yard area as well, fully concealed from your prying eyes when you enter into the house.
Okay, right now I'm going to show you to the bedroom cluster. This bedroom is actually arranged in a very good manner whereby it has complete privacy. Your guests can't look into the rooms easily. Alright, so let's do a quick introduction. There are actually 4 bedrooms in this house, 2 common bedrooms on the left, and there's a junior master with ensuite toilet on the right. And it also comes with walkway storage. Come, let's check out the first common bedroom. This common bedroom has got a very good size. You can actually put in a super single with a study desk or a queen size bed. Come, let's check out the view. It's the same as what you have seen at the balcony. Complete pool view without any traffic noise. And adjoining this bedroom is actually the common bathroom. It's actually of modern design theme with a natural ventilation to prevent mold build-up. So those of you who has helper who use up the bomb shelter at the kitchen, you still have another alternative storage area right over here. Check out the size, how generous it is. You can actually put in luggages and bulky cleaning equipment easily. And of course, this room is the similar size common bedroom. Come, let's take a peek. Alright, let me show you to the junior master with the ensuite toilet. This room is actually very spacious. You can house a queen size bed easily. It comes with a viewing wardrobe. And if you have guests who come to sleep over, they have complete privacy because it comes with an attached bathroom, which is also of modern design theme. Okay, let me show you to the last room of this house. This is actually the very spacious master room. Look at how generous the size is. You can actually put in a king size bed with side table or even a study desk. Let's look at the view outside. It is actually of quiet pool view. It will ensure that you have a very quiet and peaceful sleep at night. And at this corner of the room is actually The walk-in wardrobe, look at how extensive the carpentry is for your storage needs. And attached is actually the bathroom. It comes with a lovely bathtub and a stand shower at the other corner. Once again, I'm Jason.
I'm Maggie. If you're keen to check out this 4-bedder, please give us a call immediately so that we can bring you for an exclusive tour. See you!
Bye.